What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occuside. I was looking at the eye right here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this Captain's Jack Deadweed Brew. I got this from Costco, but if they do have it on Amazon, I'll try to search for a link for you. I know everybody's not a Costco fan and going in the stores type of person. So if they have a link, I'll post it. If there's no link, then you just have to go in Costco to check it out. But reason why I got this, and one main reason, is to eliminate all types of weeds and grasses, but this is good for your vegetable garden. I do have a blackberry bush that is thriving and surviving. You guys, it was like a little bush when I first got it from Lowe's, but now it has spread so much that I don't even know if I will be able to control it. But for those who have a blackberry bush, y'all can teach me how to control it or not. Blah 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 blah. Y'all here for this? All right. So Deadweed Brew unalives all types of weeds and grasses for use on patios, walkways, driveways, flower beds, vegetable gardens, shrubs, trees, fences, foundations, other areas of your yard. All right. So if you're able to use this in your vegetable garden, then hopefully everything turns out good. Personally, me, I'm not comfortable with spraying chemicals on fruits and all of that, but we have a lot of weeds in the garden, you guys. So also with this, you get a refill. It says mix 1 gallon right there. And as y'all know, when it comes to weed eliminators, you have your instructions taken off. It says right there, rain fast in 3 hours. So I'm assuming that means rain proof. Most weed stuff say rain proof in a certain amount of hours, blah blah blah, and it already said for use. So we already read all of that. Usually when it comes to this weed unaliver, you have to spray it in above temperatures. Let's see if it tells us that. It don't seem like it's telling us much of anything. Okay, there we go. Come on now, give me some instructions. All right, you guys. So it's not really much on this. Blah blah blah. What does it say? Shake well before use. Do not dilute. Spray individual weeds to the point of runoff. Plant damage will be visible from a few hours to 2 days after spraying. So we definitely going to check the few hours. And of course, y'all know my channel. We put out stuff after a few days. Do not store at temperatures below 39 degrees Fahrenheit. No problem. It is burning up out here. All right. It don't really have too much, you guys. This is not like the other weed stuff. All right. Environmental hazards. Do not apply directly to water, the product, the environment. Do not allow pesticides to enter runoff onto streams. Blah, 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 blah. So there you go for your environmental people. All right. So let's go ahead and start spraying this stuff, you guys. All right, so we have our handle right here. We're just gonna take that off. I don't think we really needed to take it off that way. Oh, and then they zip tied it. Now I need to find a knife. Sorry, you guys, had to get some good old rusty scissors because all of my good stuff is in the garage. So you take this. All right, so it has a little filter ball for this. So this is different. Usually there's a straw, but it's a filter ball. We're gonna twist this open and it is sealed. Take the seal off. We're gonna crack the seal, you guys. All right, or we just push the ball in. We could do that. All right, you guys. So when dealing with chemicals and all types of stuff, I usually preach on this channel, use your PPE. So gloves, long sleeves, long pant. If you have skin irritation, me, I don't get too much skin irritation. So sometimes I wear it because there are some very strong agents out there, like very, very, very strong. So this is a battery sprayer. Interesting. So I just released the power for the battery, and you have lock, and you have on. So I just turned it on, but you don't hear nothing. So maybe when you press the trigger, So they already give you 4 AA batteries already. So that's good. Click it back. All right, now we could go back to doing our garden works because we just got finished doing garden work. And yeah, so y'all gonna watch me spray this and we'll be done. I'll keep up maybe like an hour or two after the spray. All right, you guys, I got y'all out in the garden, and like I said, the blackberries are looking good. I'll show you them in a little bit, but right now we are going to switch it on. And don't do what I did and point it in your face. I'm gonna hit the trigger, hold the trigger, and see what happens. Okay, so it sprays out wild right there. Y'all see that? I'm going to turn this knob again. You may want to wear gloves. I'm turning the knob to loosen mode, and y'all see that, right? Turn it to the left, and there we go. So you got to play with the nozzle, and I got to wash my hands too. So let's see what happens. It says spray to a point of runoff, but, and again, I don't smell nothing, you guys. I'm making sure I don't spray my berries. Trying to touch all garden, the whole garden. I was using the weed whacker on this side, so that's how come there's like, it's plain right here. And I said, let me go ahead and spray this, and then I'll weed whack the rest of this later. All right, you guys, I think this is good enough because I don't want to spray. I don't want to spray none of my berries. I'm gonna be washing my berries like crazy before we eat them. My kids, my youngest, he picks the berries and eat them. Let me get on this side. Oh, and I just sprayed my bush. All right, think this is might be good. Man, this blackberry tree is getting big, getting big. Let me put this stuff up. All right, y'all know I always got to do my before and after photos for y'all. Show y'all proof. All right, you guys, so let me show y'all some of the berries. All right, y'all see? Some good blackberries coming. There's another vine coming up right there, very thick. So this thing broke and then it multiplied somehow. But this blackberry bush is growing like crazy. All right. So this is from Lowe's, you guys. Once was 20 bucks or 18 bucks at Lowe's or something like that. So, yep, this is one of those Lowe's ones that y'all see. All right. Now it multiplied. So you see it's coming up right here too. This is part of the bush. So this bush is becoming a like real bush. You see where I have my tomato holder thing? That's where I planted it. So I planted it there and it multiplied in different areas, but that's blah, blah, blah. So that will be it, you guys. I was just showing y'all that, and we will catch back up with y'all in another hour, two, and then I'll finalize the review so we can see if this product actually stands the test of integrity. All right, everyone, we are 24 hours later. I did the first test with like maybe a couple hours. It was like 2 hours. The last recording I did was like an hour straight on the action camera. But right now, we are 24 hours later. And I have to say, it works decent. But what I'm going to do is start using my weed whacker and get rid of some of these weeds. I'm going to do it tomorrow. But that will be it, you guys. I'm giving y'all a 24-hour test. I usually do like a few days or a couple of days, but right now I just want to go ahead and clean up my yard because I want to do some grass work and stuff like that. So that would be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it on the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.